Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to clear watch history on YouTube. To do that is very simple. You have just to go to YouTube, open it. After that, click on your picture on the bottom right of the screen. And after that, when you see like this part of history, click on View All. And after that, go click on the three dots on the top right of the screen. And as you can see, the second option that will appear for you is Clear All Watch History. Click on it. And as you can see here, if you want to delete all your watch history, you have just to click on Clear Watch History and all of your watch history will be deleted. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.